the lovebird we are going to color cobalt blue and special. So we'll be using more cobalt blue in this area, and the darkest the part we will be using Persian. Okay, the combination of both color we are going to complete this picture. So now I'm just going to complete the eye area. Okay, so I will be zooming it. So there is a dot, the highlight area. So I'm leaving the white out. Okay, and above there is one layer, one circle is there, that I am just doing it. Here, the same way, I'm just going to apply the color here. Okay, it's a dot. You see here, till here, this dot is coming. You need to complete this part. Okay. So I'm just giving the colors like this. Little dark. To do, you see here, now I'm just going to apply the water. Okay, so no need to touch this part. I'm just giving a gap between this and applying the water. This is wet on wet. I'm just making the paper wet. Okay, and here I'm not giving some white space, I'm giving here. So I'm not touching that water here and here. So if you see here, I'm just giving only the water. I'm applying only the water here. So from here, it's a dark. You see here, I'm just keeping that's it. And I'm just giving a wash. Okay. Here the water will spread automatically. So I'm just moving this water a little bit like this, here and here, that's all. This is the beauty of watercolor. So I just given some space here, okay? Otherwise this color will blend with this. I just want to make a violet, I am just adding the crimson lake in the Persian blue. I'm just making a small change here, a minute color change. If you see here, you can able to see the minute color change. and I'm just going to apply this part also like this. Already we given some white space there, no? I'm just filling that part, that's it. So it's a blue with little violet shade, minute shades are there. Okay, so when it's dry, it's automatically blend with that. So it's a very minute color I'm just adding here and there to make little more colorful. Okay, so it should not be a perfect single tone. So for this, I'm just making a line like this, 2 lines. Okay. And I'm just giving a small wash. And for this bottom mode, I'm just going to take a mild yellow, lemon yellow, little bit, and then touching with the blue. So it's like a dirty color. Okay. Look like a dirty colors. I'm not giving perfectly. I'm just giving small like this. Yellow ochre. So if you see here, I'm just going to apply the yellow ochre. Only this part. And here I'm going to make it little darker. So I'm just taking little burnt sienna, that's brown, and just taking some water. So here there is a dark, little dark. Okay, so I'm just keeping like this. And just given a wash, that's all. Got it? You see here, I just given some white space. I'm just making dark. I'm just touching with the dark. Okay.